Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm doing a review on the Erickhill moisture meter. There's two moisture meters, the EWM01, the EWM03. So we'll get on, I'll change camera and we will start. So I'm going to do the EWM3 first. Comes in a box, obviously I've taken these out of the box. Battery compartment at the back, which takes two AAA batteries, which are included. The cap comes off and shows the two pins that you use for testing the moisture in the wood. The thing to remember with wood is that it will pick up the humidity of the area that it's in. Now it switches on very easy. Switch it on. I'll turn that round so you can see it better. Okay. This set button, if you press the set button once, it brings up a backlight, so it makes things easier to see. And this has got 5, I think it is, just bear with me. Yeah, it's got 5 material settings, which you set with the M button there. So it's on M2 at the moment, M3, M4, M5, M1. Now the first 4 of these settings are for wood, and the last one is for bricks. So M5 is for bricks. And it does, in the instruction manual, give a list of the types of wood each material setting does. Now, one of the pieces of wood I'm doing is going to be ash, and that's on M3. And basically what you do is you get your piece of wood and you put the 2 pins into the piece of wood. Now I've got 3 pieces of wood here. I've got a piece of willow, which I cut down around about 3 weeks ago. I've got a piece of ash, which was kiln dried quite a while back, and it has been sitting in the workshop. And I've got a piece of yew, which has been down quite a few years as well. So we'll do each of these. I'll do the willow first. So you just put the pins in. And I think you can see on that, that's reading 32, just over 32 on that. So that is still very, very wet. The ash, put the pins in. That's reading 12, 11 and a half, 12-ish it's reading. And the yew. And that's reading just over, well, around about, hang on, start that again. Around about 9 and a half, that one's reading. The other thing to remember about these types of moisture meter is that since I was just using the pins, it'll only test the moisture to a couple of 3 mil into the wood. They're not exceptionally expensive. In fact, they're quite cheap, these ones. You can just turn this off like that. It's also got an automatic turn off as well, so if you leave it for 10 minutes or so, it'll automatically switch itself off. I'll just tell you the price. On Amazon at the moment, that one is at a price of, there's a limited time deal on it at the moment, and it's £12.74. Now, the company, I've been in touch with the company, and they talked about giving me some sort of discount to pass out to my viewers. So I might not have that by the time I put this video out, but I should have it by the time my live goes out next Wednesday, which is the 14th of June. Quite a comprehensive instruction book. It's in English, German, French, Italian, Spanish. It's only about 5 pages long, the instruction manual. It shows what's on the dial, the different things that's on there, how to set it up. It's got the list of the different materials you can actually do. So that's quite a nice little machine for testing moisture. The second one is the, which one? This is the, I forgot what number it is. EWM01, this one is. It's more of a pencil type size. Again, it's got a battery compartment in the bottom. You just unscrew that, slot the batteries in. Again, it's two AAA batteries which just go in there. Cap, and it's got the two pins there. Now, it also comes, you'll probably not be able to see this very well, but it comes with a sticker you can put on there, which has got, this has got 7 material settings. So it does loads of different things, but there's only 2 that are for wood, M1 and M2 that are for wood. And the thing that I find strange about both of these moisture meters is that both of the settings include soft and hardwoods. I thought they might have been different for softwoods and different for hardwoods, but both of them include different soft and hardwoods. Again, on the contents, English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Chinese on this one. Again, it shows the functions and what comes up on the screen, how to use it. Again, this one's got an automatic shutdown. I think the main difference with this one is, as you can see there, it automatically comes, when you switch it on, it automatically comes up in green. The material is set on M1 and it reads low, and it's reading low because it's not actually pressing into anything, so it's just totally dry, so that's reading low. This has got a green, amber and red setting on it, so that, you know, if you can't see the numbers that it's telling you, you can just use the green, amber and red. Green is dry, amber is a little bit wet, and red is totally wet. That's that. So we will take that off. I'm just going to leave this on M1 to test these woods. So again, we'll start with the willow, because this is the wettest one, and you just put the pins in like that, and you can see that's gone straight to red, and that's reading just over 29, or down to 20, 27, 28, 29, that's reading on there. Do the ash next. Press that in. That is reading 13, 13 and a half, something like that, and it stayed green. That's fairly dry. And the U, again, U is hard, so it's difficult to get the pins in. That's reading 10.911. So that's fairly dry as well. Nice and easy to use. The pair of them are nice, easy to use. I prefer this one because it's easier in the hand, and it's got the red, amber, the red, amber and green on them. And again, just press the button to turn it off, and that's it, off. So I think that's about it. The good, the fairly cheap, this one is, just check the price for you, is $18.99 at the moment on Amazon. But again, hopefully I can get people some discount on them. And I'll just come back to the main camera. So there you are, just a quick review on the two moisture meters. I am probably going to do a giveaway, certainly for the for that one. I'm probably going to do a giveaway, probably on one of my lives over the next couple of weeks. We'll do it during the live for people who are in the chat, and whoever gets it, I will send it out to them. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.